So Oppo has just launched its Find X9 and X9 Pro, but the brand is yet to unveil its Find X9 Ultra, which they will launch at some later date. And as per the reports, this time Oppo will make the Ultra variant more distinct than the rest of the series. And gladly, the very reliable tipster already shared the major specs, including its unique camera setup. Hey lads, TechScanning here. So as per the tipster, the Find X9 Ultra will feature a quad camera setup, which will include 2 periscope sensors. So setting it clearly apart from the just launched Find X9 Pro with a triple camera setup. Now, in case you are unaware, the previous Find X8 Pro and X8 Ultra both features a quad camera setup and both include dual periscope sensors, though there are some differences in core camera specs. So we can say this time Oppo set clear boundaries between the Pro and the Ultra variant. Anyway, talking about the Find X8 Ultra quad cameras, the well-known leakster Digital Chat Station shared a camera setup of a prototype unit of the Find X9 Ultra. So this setup may or may not change in the final unit. Anyway, according to him, the Find X9 Ultra will have a 200 megapixel primary camera from Sony, and it will have a huge 1/1.12 inches sensor size. As comparison, this is bigger than the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra's 1/1.3 inches sensor size, which is a Samsung's 200 megapixel sensor. Now, generally, a bigger sensor size means it can gather more light, and so it can offer better low light performance, less noise, and improved dynamic range. So the Sony sensor has an advantage here. Now, moving to the other 3 cameras, there will be 2 50 megapixel periscope telephoto sensors and an ultra wide lens. Though there are not many details on the periscope sensors, but as per the same tipster, one of the periscope sensors will offer 3 times optical zoom alongside the optical image stabilization. It will be the Sony LYT-828, the same sensor used as the main camera on the Find X9 Pro. The leak also shared the Find X9 Ultra will have a 50 megapixel selfie snapper. Now, performance-wise, though the Find X9 and X9 Pro came with the Mediatek's Dimensity 9500 chipset, however, the Find X9 Ultra will use the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset that we will also see on most high-end devices. Anyway, there are still many details under wraps on the Find X9 Ultra, but rest assured, I will keep you updated, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.